YouTube, we are back with another video. Today we are going to be going over Polkadot, and I have no idea why I did that right there. And we're going to be going over what it is that we're seeing. We have definitely seen a very sexy bull cross on the 31st of August right here, and we've just been going up and up and up. The one difference though here that is a little bit scary is that we've been held up by this 100, held up. We were held up, and now we're getting rejected by it, and we just touched the 200 exactly. And so we're also getting this little bit of a possible cross right here as well. So these are some of the things that we definitely need to make sure that we're looking out for. So in today's video, we're going to be going over some of the areas that I'm looking for a possible buy signal. We're trading DOT and the rest of these coins. Bybit has added so many different coins. They've got up to 130 something pairs or 110 pairs of coins. So that's what we're trading. If you guys would like to trade with Bybit, link down below. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. Boys and girls, let's take a look. So we're gonna pull our fib from swing low right here to swing high, and it's looking like we've got this double top, kind of, well, exactly like Bitcoin. Bitcoin had its all-time high, then we came down somewhere around here, and then we came all the way back up, took the high barely, and then now we're coming all the way back down. So this is doing exactly the same exact thing as Bitcoin right now, but we do have this why is this on log? We do have this very sexy 618 golden pocket here. So let's go ahead and remove this, and you'll see that I would say that we would probably be looking for the possibility of this area right here. So we'd come down, take these lows. Again, it's all going to depend on what Bitcoin's going to do. Come down, take these lows, hit this like 24 area right here. There's got to be a way to like make it less numbers than this. This is way too many damn numbers. Or what we could do is come down and hit this little zone right here around like 20, because then we could come down and take these lows, or come down and take these lows right here. Plus that would be an area where we could look at right here. You can see that we have a very serious point of control right here, and for the low we have the value area low of this area. So we can look at it like this. The value area high is going to be somewhere right here. Value area low is going to be somewhere right here. So I would say something like that. This is the area that we'd be looking to cover. Exactly what I just said. 25.5 all the way down to basically like 20 is the area that we could be dollar cost averaging in. We could be like put one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And if price does come down, we would expect a little nice and sexy bounce right here. And then we could have ourselves skyrocket all the way up to the moon. But again, it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does, to be honest with you guys. And if we're also looking at, let's get rid of all this madness here, that we've got that. So we could also have ourselves some madness here, right? This could be the situation, which would be, that'd be very scary, but I highly doubt it. But we have to be prepared for anything. But this would take forever and 5 days to get to, unless there was some type of super major unbelievable crash that ended up happening with Bitcoin. So we have to make sure that we are prepared to be ready for any scenario. And the good thing is that on Bybit you can trade this coin, whether it goes up or goes down, it doesn't matter. You can still make money on the coin. But so I would say, again, we would be, if not right now, we could end up having the situation where it's like, you know, come up here, boom, because look at this M-shaped pattern right here, and then we could blast off. But again, that's so far away. Let's talk about what we think is going to happen more immediately. So like I said, around that 25 area all the way down to 20 is what I'd be looking for the possibility of it to just come down and come back up. So again, that'll be it for right now. I mean, we could go over where we're thinking about the price going all the way up to the upside if we do this. You know, we do have the 2.618 coming in at, why is this thing just continuously going on log? There we go. We do have the 2.618 coming in at 117. That could be a possibility. But again, we're first going to look at the 1.618. That's coming in at 76. So these are the areas to the upside that we would want to really be paying attention to. As you guys can see here, we did come up basically to the 1.133 and then got that rejection just as we did on Bitcoin. So the main takeaways for this is make sure that you're watching what Bitcoin is doing and just make sure you're paying attention to what's going on with Polkadot on a regular basis. Okay, so that's going to do it. Again, join us down below in the Discord. Again, down below, join us over on Bybit. That's where we're taking all sorts of different trades and stuff like that. And that'll be it.